Now, by hearing such a statement from Jamil, his aunt Sadhuri, she just gave an idea that why don't you and your younger sister Sarah come along with me and stay with me in the city and then continue your medical studies over there because your family did a lot for me. Now it's time for me to return you back as a reward. All the members of the family, by hearing such offer from Aunt Sadhuri, they become glad and happy and they be ready to send Jamil to the city for his further medical studies. But they resist or stop their daughter Sarah by telling that Sarah is a girl and there is no need to continue her professional studies because she has to get married in the future and men are responsible for running their homes rather than women. But their elder brother, he just interrupted in between and said that why are you saying male and female? There is no discrimination between male and female in our Islam because our holy prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he said that seeking knowledge is obligatory or compulsory for both the male and female. It is important for both of them. ठीक है, it is regardless of any gender. इसमें कोई जो है तफसीस नहीं होती, कोई इम्तियाज़ नहीं होता, फ़र्क नहीं है कि वो लड़का या लड़की हासिल करे, बल्कि हर मुसलमान मर्द औरत पर तालीम हासिल करना फ़र्ज़ है, इल्म हासिल करना फ़र्ज़ है. लिहाजा all the people in their family, they just by mutual understanding they got agreed and they sent their children to the city. Instead they were facing so many financial problems because they had to send a huge amount of money to their children to the city to continue their studies, and their children, they also knew that their families are bearing such problems just because of them. That's why they need to start continuing by giving tuitions to their nearby students and children, and they are just fulfilling their other expense by that tuition fees as well. उन्होंने ट्यूशन पढ़ाना शुरू कर दिया जमील ने और उसकी बहन सारा ने, and they worked really hard day and night, and by their efforts they both brother and sister, they both siblings become a successful doctor in the future. And in the last scene, what did happen? ये बताया जा रहा है कि Jamil was a very famous doctor and his younger sister Sarah, she also become a well-known doctor. Not only a doctor, but she is also a mother of two children and married and got married, happily married as well. वो ना सिर्फ एक डॉक्टर बन गई बल्कि उसकी बड़ी अच्छी शादी भी हो गई और उसके दो बच्चे भी थे और उसके साथ साथ उसने अपने मेडिकल कैरियर को भी जारी रखा. तो इन द लास्ट जमील वॉज जस्ट लाइंग ऑन हिज चारपाई एंड ही वॉज जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ हिज पास्ट डेज कि किस तरह मैं माजी में सोचा करता था कि मुझे कितने हार्डशिप्स आएंगी, मुश्किलात आएंगी, डिफ़िकल्टीज, बट when there is a will there is a way. So Jamil just prove himself और इसकी सिस्टर सारा ने भी अपनी पढ़ाई जारी रखी and they also established a hospital in their village as well where facilitations are there for the poor people. All the poor people, they got facilitated by the facilities of medical. Their medical treatment was free and nobody is left to die due to any illness. कोई भी किसी भी गरीब को क्या है इलाज मुआवजे के लिए दूर नहीं जाना पड़ता क्योंकि जमील ने अपने ख्वाबों को पूरा किया. He just fulfilled all his dreams. So the name of the chapter is Chasing Dreams. Jamil just thought of becoming a doctor, and not only he think of a dream but he also did efforts and hard working for fulfilling and making all his dreams into reality, and all of his dreams just taken the shape of turn into reality later on just because of his effortless efforts of day and night. So students, I think you have understood it well because I have explained you para by para. Thank you for listening to me.